Hi everyone, in this video, I will discuss about a designer word genie review. So first, what is word genie? Designer's Word Genie is an AI-powered tool designed to streamline the creation of ebook content, leveraging ChatGPT technology to assist users in generating well-structured and engaging materials across various niches. So what is its key features? Some of its key features are automated content generation. It inputs your chosen topic and Word Genie will propose titles, outlines, and draft content of your ebook, expediting the writing process. Next is the multilingual support. Word Genie can produce content in multiple languages, including Dutch, French, German, Hungarian, Italian, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, and Spanish, broadening your reach to a global audience. Lastly, commercial rights. Subscribers to Designer's paid plans receive commercial rights, enabling them to sell the ebooks created with WordGenie on platforms like Amazon, Sellfy, and Payhip, or offer ebook creation services on freelancing sites such as Upwork and Fiverr. So in conclusion, Designer's Word Genie serves as a valuable tool for individuals and business aiming to produce professional ebooks efficiently. By automating significant portions of the content creation process and offering extensive customization options, it enables users to focus more on refining their message and engaging their audience. And that's basically it.